Yes, students. Now we will take some more questions of conversion of unit. Now this time we will convert meters into centimeter or centimeter into meters. Okay. Meters to centimeters and vice versa. Okay. Meter can be written as small m. So suppose this question comes, 5 meter is equal to dash centimeter. So how will we convert? Let us proceed by the shortcut. Which one is the bigger unit out of these, meters or centimeter? Just remember, always draw that flower. It will help you in remembering the relationships between, at the base we have millimeter, then centimeter, then meter, and then at the top we have kilometer. Okay. And what is the relation? Centimeter is 10 times millimeter and meters is 100 times centimeter and kilometer is 1000 times 1 meter. So this way you can memorize, and if the question comes then we have to just memorize the relationship. Now 5 meters into centimeters. First of all, see whether we want to convert higher unit into smaller unit or the lower unit to higher unit. See, now we want meters to convert into centimeters. So meter is the highest. Higher unit to lower unit, what do? Multiply. Always remember this. Higher to lower you will multiply and lower to higher you will divide. Okay. So I'll multiply, but multiply 5 by what? If I want to convert 5 meters into centimeter, I will multiply because higher unit is converting into smaller. Multiply by what? The relationship. Meters to centimeter, it is 100 times. 100. Okay. So 5 times 100, that is 500 centimeters. Take one more example. 16 meters is equal to how many centimeters? So this is again higher unit to smaller unit. That means we have to multiply. So write 16 meters is equal to 16 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 100. It will give you how to multiply these numbers. Just remember how to multiply with a number that has zeros at the end. Forget about zeros and multiply with the beginning number. Okay, rest of the number. 16 ones are 16. Now add zeros at the end. There were 2 0, so 2 0. This is a shortcut method of multiplying a number by another number which has lots of zeros. Firstly multiply without zeros and then at the end add those numbers of zeros. Okay, and the unit has been converted. Since we have multiplied, so the unit has been converted into centimeter. This is the shortcut method of converting meters into centimeter. Hope you have understood. And what is the logic behind this? That we can get to know by the longer method of conversion. Let us one example of that also. Without using the shortcut method, how to solve this by seeing the logic behind the method. Okay. Now we want to convert 5 meters into centimeter. So this, the longer method tells you, firstly write the main relationship between meter and centimeter. So what is it? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. This is that I know. Okay, from here I will try to get this. Now write 5 meters. How will you get 5 meters from 1 meter? I'll have to multiply 1 by 5. So this operation, in case I want this to be hold true, I'll have to multiply it with also 5. Okay, so what was this? 100 centimeter multiplied by 5. That will give you 100 into 5 centimeters. That is 5 ones are 5 and then add zeros at the end. 500 centimeters. So I hope both the ways are, and both the methods are clear to you, and you will not face any problem in solving conversion problems of meter to centimeter. As you go on to higher class, you will be asked to convert the other way also, way also, into from centimeters to meter. Let us see how we are going to do that. Suppose 16 centimeter I want to convert into meters. 16 centimeters is equal to how many meters? That means now we want to convert centimeters into meters. So the shortcut method tells you smaller unit to bigger unit, we have to divide. Smaller unit to bigger, divide. Okay, so write here 16 and now divided by 100. 16 divided by 100. It can always be written as a fraction. So 16/100th, and in decimal it can be written as 0.16. As you will go to the higher classes, I'll tell you how to convert a fraction into a decimal and how to read this decimal. Okay, this is 16/100th. It is at 100th place. Okay, so 0.16 meters. Okay, I hope you have understood both the methods. Now you may solve a few more questions. Thank you.